Hello, what's up? Welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna do the LeetCode 721 question, accounts merge. Given a list accounts, each element's accounts I is a list of strings, where the first element's accounts I0 is the name, and the rest of the elements are emails representing the emails of the account. Now, we would like to merge these accounts. Two accounts definitely belong to the same person if there is some email that is common to both accounts. Note that even if two accounts have the same name, they may belong to different people, as people would have the same name. A person can have any number of accounts initially, but all of their accounts definitely have the same name. After merging the accounts, return the accounts in the following format. The first element of each account is the name, and the rest of the elements are emails in sorted order. The accounts themselves can be returned in any order. So basically, let's look at this example. We're given John. He has John Smith at mail, John00 at mail, and also another John, and his email is johnbravo@mail.com. And another John has John Smith at mail.com. At this point, we know this John and this first John are the same John because they have the same email. So yeah, so they must be the same person. So yeah, you can see that. Two accounts definitely belong to the same person if there's some email that is common to both accounts. So that applies to this, right? They share the same email, johnsmith@mail.com. So we know that these three emails are all the first Johns. And we have a Mary, and our output should be the first John followed by his three emails. John Smith at mail.com, John00 at mail.com, and John New York at mail.com. Notice that we have to sort this alphabetically. So somehow 0 comes before underscore, and underscore comes before S. This John, although it's the same name as the first John, but because they don't have shared any email, so they are seen as two separate Johns, two different Johns. So that's why this John has an email by itself, and we have Mary. Notice that you can put so only the emails are sorted. The accounts can be returned by any order. So at first I thought, can we just create a default dictionary and somehow use the name as the key, and just append all the email to the same key, right? But then I realized that it's not possible because people can share the same name, so it's hard to figure out which should be the key and what should be the value. So as I look at the hint, it's actually saying that for every pair of the emails, the same account, draw an edge between those emails. The problem is about enumerating the connected component of the graph. So this question is actually a graph problem, a connected component problem. So I draw this image here. It's not intuitive at all that this question is a graph problem, but let's look, after looking the hints, let's see. So for this input, right? So I can draw this graph. So the hint saying that draw an edge between those emails, right? So basically, John Smith's email, the mail is connected to John00 at mail.com, right? At this point, I know John Bravo, it's by itself. And this time I know John Smith is at mail.com is connected to John_New York at mail.com. So I can draw an edge to here. And at this point, I know Mary at Mary.com is itself. So I have 3 connected components. This being a connected component, this being a connected component, and this being a connected component, right? So how does this graph help me for the output? So actually you can see that basically we just have to output the connected components out and sort them alphabetically, right? And append their name, of course. So this one connected components goes here, and this one connected components goes here, and this one connected components goes here. Okay, so how can we get the connected components, right? We use